guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Justin. This is How Fast. We're trying to build an engine here. This is our LQ4 for the project. I'm going to start disassembling this right now. And we're going to start tearing this thing down, getting it ready. Now on this motor you can see there's a whole bunch of harness and plastic and wires and belts and rust that are all going to have to come off. So I'm going to start by just pulling all the accessories off, all of the harness off, and getting this thing basically down to the iron, and we can actually start flipping it over and taking a look at how the whole bottom end is looking and how what we're looking at under the heads before we actually start diving into upgrades and regular maintenance that something a motor of this age should have done to it. Alright guys, got pretty much everything labeled. I think I have everything disconnected, but I'll find out here in a split second, so let's see. There she is. Just like me, a lot of you are curious what the condition of the oil is that's in our junkyard 6-liter here. So let's crack her open and find out. Well, it looks dirty, but I don't see any sparkles. That's a good sign. Well, you're seeing it here for the first time. This thing is absolutely filthy. Lots of sludge, lots of buildup. I'm going to pull off a couple more accessories and take off the valve covers, and we'll see what the valve train looks like. And yeah, I'm excited to see what the cylinder walls look like and see what the pistons look like. So let's see what happens. All right, guys, that's actually going to wrap it up for the night. I got Derek coming over in a couple days. We're going to pull off the valve covers and the heads. We'll get a look at that valve train and the top end of this motor. There's actually a chassis that we have an eye on, so we're going to go and stop by and take a look at that, and of course we'll take you guys along for the ride. This weekend there's supposed to be some car events going on in Chatham, and we may swing by one of those, and we may have a video dropping early next week with some of that content. So if you guys want to keep up with that, the way you would do that is by hitting your notification bell in the bottom corner there, and that way you'll get an email every time that we upload and you won't miss anything. You can catch us at howfast, it's at how__fast on Instagram, or howfast10@gmail.com. If you guys want to get in touch with us, comment, like, share, subscribe. We love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.